Introduction. Have you ever wondered how a bird beaks adapt to the food they eat? In this lab, we simulated the competition between 4 species of birds that each bird have a different characteristics. In this case, it is the type of beak of the bird that some birds will do better than others in each environment, and it would be the main cause of natural selection happening. We would stimulate the 2 different environments by the food factor or the main food in that place, and we use an M&M and Haribo for the different food sources, and we use a fork, spoon, chopsticks, and toothpicks as a type of bird beaks. Oh, I almost forgot about it. I forgot to talking about the natural selection. The natural selection process, it is a process that we made all of this experiment on it. The natural selection, it is a process of how the nature select an organism to produce the next generation of offspring. It is determined by the organism characteristics. And as you know, another word of it is what? Oh, it is the theory of the evolution. The theory of the evolution is taught by the Charles Darwin that he was saying at the Theoretical Science about the evolution one.
In our book, we think that the result of toothpick can pick up M&M more than jelly. The chopstick can pick up jelly more than M&M. The spoon can pick up M&M more than jelly, and the fork can pick up jelly more than M&M.
The material that we use is plate, cup, toothpick, chopstick, spoon, fork, and wood jelly, and M&M.
Procedures. First, prepare the simulated bird beaks and simulated bird foods for the experiment. Try to make them as varied as possible. Then, the goal is to use each of the simulated bird beak to pick up each food as much as possible within 15 seconds. After you have done each experiment, write down the result. So, later you could use that result to analyze your experiment.
The result that we have received from our laboratory experiment, we have received that in the first test, the spoon-shaped beak can pick up 32 of M&M and 13 of Haribo jelly. Second, we test the bird fork-shaped beak. We can pick up 25 pieces of M&M and 11 pieces of Haribo jelly. And the third, we test the bird chopstick-shaped beak. We can pick up 3 pieces of M&M and 14 pieces of Haribo jelly. So finally, we test the bird toothpick-shaped beak, and we didn't pick any of M&M, but we can pick 7 pieces of Haribo jelly.
Conclusion. From the information that we have received from this laboratory experiment, we can conclude by looking at the chart that firstly, spoon-shaped beak will clearly survive, and because it has a survivability characteristic, its shape will survive and reproduce more. So, this characteristic will most likely to leave more offspring than the years. But, sadly for the toothpick-shaped beak, this characteristic will most likely to die out because of its inability to eat M&Ms and Haribo jellies. The birds that have this characteristic will have no food to eat, and it will slowly die in a painful way because of starvation. Let's continue to the fork-shaped beak. This characteristic will almost be able to survive as good as a spoon beak in an environment in which there are plenty of food. But in an environment in which animals need to compete for food, this characteristic will die out before the spoon beak. Lastly, chopstick-shaped beak. This characteristic will have an ability to survive in between fork beak and toothpick beak. In a shortage of food, it will die out after the toothpick-shaped beak.
Next is the evaluation. We can improve this experiment by having more type of things to stimulate it as a bird beaks, and we should have more food to use so we would know more varieties and which type of stimulated bird would be survived by the natural selection process.